As a lot of you have come to realize, Adobe Flash is no longer working in Smart Notebook. It ceased working in Smart Notebook with the Smart Suite in 16.2. We're now moving on to 17.1, so there won't be any more Flash that works. A lot of you are worried about using the things that you've bought on Teachers Pay Teachers to go along with the Journey studies. All you have to do is go back and substitute in the actual things. Since Flash doesn't work, what you have to do is go in and find the file or not the file, but find the video on YouTube and put it in the widget. How do you do this? Well, right here are some directions on how to do it. First thing you need to do is click on it like you're going to play. When it comes up, it is going to tell you the name of the file, of the Flash file that's in there, and it's Schoolhouse Rock Nouns, which this will correspond over to the YouTube page, and you will basically copy that. And you're going to X out. Let's come back. Let's do this. Let's delete that. We're now going to come over here on the left to the bottom tab, and we're going to go into the widgets, and we're going to use the YouTube widget. Okay, click on search. Right click or Control V, so paste in the name of it. Schoolhouse Rock Nouns, right here we go. We'll select this one. You can play it just to make sure. Okay, we're going to go ahead and view it in the browser. Okay, you see that it's the one that you want. Come back, add video. Go ahead and X this out up here because we don't need this. Okay, and then just adjust it to size for the page, and you have re-added the video. That's all there is to it. Now on some of these you might find, let me go ahead and go back, up here is one that it would say, when I clicked on the play, is silent E. So what you'd have to take and do is you can do the search, and since you already know what the file sounded like from the last time you listened to it, or when you've used it before, you can come back again, do the same thing, get the widget, do the search, Control V to paste, do your search, and this one actually happened to be from Tom Lear. Okay, and just like you did before, add. The reason I knew that was Tom Lear is because I had looked at the series before and knew that that was what they used. That's the way you'll have to go back on those, is use what you know. If you have any questions, please contact your ITRT and they will gladly help you.